Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. I am dressed, ready to go. I'm waiting on Diamond because we are headed to DC this morning for brunch at Kitchen and Cocktails. I'm so excited for this. Um, Meanwhile, while we wait on her, I already have my shoes. I'm thinking about taking a backup pair of shoes. I don't know. And I'm gonna pick out my dossier fragrance of the day. So let's pick our fragrance while we wait on her. Hopefully she'll be here within the next 10 minutes at the least, because our flight boards at 9:30. I have TSA pre-check. My pre-check finally came through. So I get a speedy TSA experience today. Meanwhile, Diamond has to go through the slow line. So she needs to hurry her little ass up so we can go ahead and get there and get situated. But meanwhile, let me pick out a scent. All right, so for my scent of the day, we're going to go with Ambery Saffron from Dossier. This is their Baccarat 540 Rouge, or Baccarat Rouge 540 dupe. Girl, it smells so good. OMGG. This is my second bottle of this, and look where this one is. Girl, I'll be spraying this down. Now, I did decant some into this purse atomizer. I'll have these linked down below in the description box just in case you're looking to make your full-size perfumes into, travel perfumes. But this is what it looks like. And you just spray some in there. This holds quite a look. This is like a 10mm bottle. I think these are so nice, and I have so many of these. So yeah, check out Dossier. All of their information will be down below. Should you're interested, definitely, and highly recommend Dossier. Okay, Alexa, what time is it?
It's 8:08 a.m.
Okay, it's just 8:08. I guess I'm going to let my roller stay in for maybe another 10-15 minutes. I curled it before I put the rollers on it. Y'all, don't mind that box. I just disassembled a exercise bike. It's going to my storage unit. I'm going to let these stay in for another 15 minutes or so, and then I'm going to take them down. I got my hot comb on the stove heating up so I can hit some flyaways. But right now it's looking pretty flat because I put foaming lotion on it before I rolled it up and curled it last night. So we'll see how we look in a few minutes. All right, so I'm carrying my favorite handbag today. Absolutely love this one. So pretty to me. And it is so heavy right now. OMG, I have it packed down, and I still need to put my other phone inside and my portable tripod in it. Girl, I'm debating on whether I want to put my backup pair of sandals in it, though they could fit in the bottom. I think I am. Y'all, let's call Diamond to see where she at, because I kind of want to be at the airport by 8:45. Even that's kind of pushing it, but we're just down the street, so we still should be okay. But let's just call to see.
Turn in.
You turn it in?
Yeah, I'm about to be.
Okay. What, like to my street or into the gate?
About to turn in the cottage.
Okay, got you. You doing? Okay, gotcha. All right. All right, bye.
Bye.
All right. Just hope the hair stays nice all day. I like the way this looks, but I'm not going to finger comb it too much because I don't want them to fall prematurely. But I am going to go in with a little oil to tame some of the flyaways, But Diamond is here. She's in the bathroom, so we're going to get ready to go as soon as she's done. I'm going to put my shoes on. I'm finna go get in the Mission Mobile. We'll see you at the airports. We're in the airport, y'all, making our way up to the gate. DC, here we come. All right, Diamond, you go through the slow lane. I'll be entering the TSA pre-check. See you on the other side. TSA pre-check is almost now a joke to me. So you're supposed to be able to keep your shoes on and not be screened or whatever. I had to take my damn shoes off. Such a joke. Like, that should have been in the description. Don't wear anything with little, tiny, tiny metal buckles on them. Ridiculous. So by the time I got my shoes on, I met back up with Diamond. I mean, granted, it was still on time, but still, that was just like the worst thing ever. Like, what's really the point in pre-check if you can't have buckles on your shoes? OMG. I think it's the middle heel in yours. Oh.
Welcome home. Thanks for visiting Kitchen and Cocktails.
right, Diamond doesn't have TSA pre. She's way back there. I've been waiting on her for like 8 minutes. Hi guys, we're headed back to Huntsville. So welcome back. It's Monday, Juneteenth. Happy Juneteenth. Okay, we are in the streets. Y'all, we had so much fun yesterday in DC. Y'all know DC was our brunch. Okay, look at his little face. He was so cute. He looked this little dog. DC was our brunch vacation location. So we were there for a day, and y'all, we had the most amazing time at Kitchen and Cocktails. It was the entrance for me.
Welcome home. Thanks for visiting Kitchen and Cocktails.
It was the guy at the front door for me. That was just the coolest thing.
Welcome home.
Welcome home. Welcome to Kitchen and Cocktails. It was beautiful. I enjoyed it. Diamond, how did you enjoy your experience?
I loved it. It was it'll be a cool date night spot, a cool girls night spot. It's really nice. The ambiance was on point.
Everything. It was given. It was given everything it was supposed to give. That was black excellence. That was Kevin Kelly. You did that.
One.
Mm-hmm.
You did your big one.
You did your big one. But this is actually like his third big one.
Yeah, I know.
Because it's in Dallas, Chicago, now DC.
So
all right.
You said we got to make a goal and go to all of them.
Yes, I do want to visit the one in Chicago. Chi-Town subbies, where y'all at? We're trying to get to Chicago. I want to do it before it gets super cold, though.
Yeah.
Right now we're in the car. I'm finna show her a tentative space that I may want to move into. I've looked at this one before, but I know that it's a little too small for me, but it's everything though. It is definitely everything. I would definitely have to learn to be a minimalist in this space because I have way too much stuff. Even though, honey, girl, I got 2 storage units. One's not so full, but I ain't trying to fill it up, you know. I still want to have some room in it. So y'all, let's go ahead and see the spot, and then we're gonna go for coffee and go pick up stuff to make lunch. All right, Diamond, you're gonna like this spot because I liked it, but I already know that it's a little too small. But it's just the location, it's just everything. All right, so this is how it looks when you walk in. Yes, this is the actual layout. That's the bedroom for me. Some of y'all have probably already seen this before on a video. Last summer I came and looked, and I've been thinking about this place ever since. The shower is just everything, especially for content creating. Nice wide vanity. There's a Chanel box in the corner. I saw it. I just love it. I feel like the bedroom is a nice size. Can't lie, it looks like it's a little bigger than mine. And this closet's definitely bigger than mine. This closet, because you know my closets are mine.
I thought you were saying the bedroom is bigger than
Yeah,
No, it's not.
it's not. Feels, maybe it's because this bathroom and this little hall part.
Maybe, but this as a bedroom is not bigger than yours or mine.
No, it just appears because it's decluttered. Maybe if I clean up. But this setup is just so cute. Makes me want to go home and do some rearranging. And you're back into the living room area. And I like this little area over here too. Yeah, you can do a lot. So how do you feel about it? What is in this? Is this wash and dry, perhaps?
Most likely. Yep.
Okay, this is cute. Very cute. You got this. I just love this. I love all the space. It's the glass for me. Another closet.
Hang up your towels.
I
Hang
love
up your
it.
towel. Hang up your robes.
How'd you feel about that size of that bedroom over
It's
there?
very nice.
Let's take a look. But I still like the layout where I am, though. Because, you know, where we just walked in isn't the front door. That's not it. Whoops, you dropped my phone. That's actually the front door.
Okay,
Off the
so you walk
kitchen.
into-
Yeah.
Makes more
So I'm going to show you, like, the...
That makes more sense.
Yeah, whether your delivery area and all of that. But it's cute. You know, what y'all think about this place? And it has ceiling fans. That's one thing I do. I don't have overhead lights and ceiling fans in my space that I'm in now.
I don't know why so many places here don't like that.
And think about it, you don't really hear all of that construction like you think you would, though.
Yeah, it's not that loud at all. Everything in the kitchen being like that.
You know, I normally don't like that. I don't like being that your front door, like somebody's delivering you something and they just all in your business. You know what I'm saying? They can just see everything.
Yeah.
I don't typically like that because see where I am right now, I have like a real life entryway. Yep. Nice size pantry. You want anything to drink? Water or anything?
Cheetos in the fridge.
But yeah, this is it. I think it's cute. Let me show you the... Yeah, so this is your actually where your peeps would pull up on you. This is your front door. So you do have elevators to help you move.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. There must be Airbnb in it. But yeah, I like this. Your packages, but oh, let me show you the package area. So you don't have to worry about people snatching your packages and being nosy. You don't really even need a Ring doorbell for real. I still would have one. So this is the pool area. I think it's salt water. Oh, like their patios. Very nice. And y'all know I love a good ground floor unit. But this is the meal and delivery room. Definitely what I need. Because I get a lot of packages. I order a lot of stuff. This would just be nice. What do you think, Nicole? And the gym. Ooh, Diamond. How do you like it?
Very pretty. I love the backsplash.
So this unit is about 731 square feet. This is a one-stop shop for me. I always suggest this unit because it's very spacious.
Mm-hmm. Diamond, this is so cute.
Everything you need.
Look at the closet.
Yes.
What?
I love it.
Damn, Nicole, if this don't make you want to move here, this will be Diamond's perfect apartment.
I love it. The
We'll be down the street.
Yes, great idea.
We just did a circle. Down. This is it. Look at this. Yeah, because this would be perfect because all your clothes would fit. Just so Mama can see. This is cute.
So those who live on this inner side typically park right there. So this is the vanity court side one. This is our park. It's a big giant green.
All right, here's the mail room.
Get anything at the door. They'll bring it all in and organize it by the floor you're on. We also accept co-packages as well. Yeah.
Y'all, this has took a turn from me finding a bigger apartment to me trying to talk down and then to move into Madison.
Meeting room is currently locked due to a defect. This section over here has our levels.
Tous les jours, tous les jours. All right, guys, so we're gonna do lunch at Wahlburgers. This will be our first time. We're going in. Alright guys, I am so ready for this. I sure hope this is a good burger because we had 8 cents of brunch yesterday. I am ready. Everybody says that the burgers here are good. We shall see. Spicy cheddar and bacon tots. These are good. These are our appetizers. Pretty good. I didn't know if I was gonna like the cheese sauce because I kind of knew it was gonna be that kind of melty, like cheese out of a can. Yeah, that. It's pretty good. All right, y'all. So our burgers just came out. I got the Hour burger. Did you remember what you got? You took
Super
the menu.
Melt.
The Super Melt. Oh, it looked like it's
Super melty.
No, yeah, it does look like that, but it look like it's gonna be way better than that patty melt down at the Waffle House. Now I live for a good patty melt. Now that one looks real good. Let's go ahead and taste. I'm ready.
Straight up mustard. That's why I asked.
And I love that the pickles are sweet. Sweet pickles, yeah. You know those? Diamond's taking her caramelized onions off.
Just some of it. They are on here.
Don't worry about it. I'll eat them. I'll take care of those. gonna start my serious diet next week. Not this week though. You wanna get back into meal prepping? Do you wanna go to Walmart still, down? Now if you want it, now but what we can do though before you leave is I can cook your chicken so you can take it home and have rice and stuff with it.
The steak is probably good with salad too.
Yeah, we can do that.
Everything's not okay, love? Yes.
Y'all, lunch was so good. Now we're about to head out. We're gonna go to Walmart, get a few things, go to the liquor store. And where else? There's one more place I want to show Diamond. I want to show Diamond this one apartment that I'm really, really partial to. So we'll see. Let's just go. Let's just go. No, not really. Alright, so I'm showing Diamond the camp. This is where they have live bands, live music, food trucks, all kinds of cool stuff. And this is the stage for the live bands. And there's a bar. And this little seating area here is real cute. Up at our third home location. Diamond's over it, but I really want her to see this one. She's over it.
Business hours and then the water cooler is usually full. So, living space, kids, the dining room. So you're three.
This is really nice.
Alright, and I'm sorry. And your second, third bathroom in.
All right, this will be the guest bedroom.
Is included in all the units.
Mm.
And then this is your master on this side. Got the walk-in closet, and this particular floor plan has the garden tub.
Oh, the closet.
I like it.
And she got linen closet here. It's very deep. Oh yeah, the dresser's real cute. Alright, so Diamond is using the facilities right now, but I'm really leaning towards this place. A 3-bedroom is 17. So yeah, I think this probably will be the move for me. It's everything I want. Everything I could want in a home is right here. Y'all, we're going in everybody's favorite place, Walmart. Y'all know y'all love Walmart. Got the cart. I'm still carrying this heavy bag from yesterday. Free my arms. Make sure there's no mold. No fur growing on the cuties. Just walking through here, you can smell the smell. Like something is bad. They just need to go through this stuff. You gonna taste them? Make sure. You wanna taste?
No, come on.
Diamond. Diamond didn't want to taste the grapes. Couldn't be me. See, I would have been at least 8'6". I had to make sure I really want them. You gonna taste them? Some what? All right, fine. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Closet organization. But these are the things that I really need for under the sink and in the closets for organizing stuff. I know I want to do one of those. But then I wanted one of these, but I feel like this is kind of too big. I think it's too big for under the sink. Because it says wide closet shelf bin. But I like these because you can put your products in, store them in this, rather just sitting them in this, because you know sometimes they fall over and now you got spills. Because one of my closets is like that with all of my products. I can't stand it. Get this for sure because I like the way it opens to the front. This is the only one they got. And this, well, they got this one. They got two more. What you need? You want one?
Yeah, I have some. I just need to look organized. Mine aren't clear, but mine are like the towers and their own.
Then they got the shoe boxes. The clear shoe boxes with the lids. I don't really need shoe boxes though. Probably something like this though. Slim closet maybe. I'm just gonna go with this one for now. Like garment bags, keep suits and dresses and stuff like that in. That's pretty cool. I didn't know you can come get those from Walmart. I bought some of these for some evening gowns. That is a real cute one. I like that one too. I saw that one last time I was in here looking at the notebooks and agendas. They got some cute ones.
I always do something like this and just stick it in my
Yeah, you could.
LV.
Picked up some hand towels and washcloths. They were on clearance. Can never have enough. And plus, y'all, I just got this new little towel rack, and these will be pretty on it in my guest bathroom because y'all know I'm limited on closet space. So I'll show you guys that too in this video when we get home. Oh, you gonna get that one?
This one? No, I'm gonna do that next year.
Oh, okay.
Because that only
Gotcha.
6 months since we built.
Yeah.
That's when we do next year. Just get one.
2023 to 2025. Interesting.
One like this. Or this.
I like this. Now something like this, I'd keep on my desk. I wouldn't mind people messing with this. Of course, I don't want you touching my stuff, period, on my desk, you know? But I would be okay with leaving that on my desk, though. But I like these little pocket ones, too. That's cute. But there's a Louis Vuitton wallet that people are using to convert it into a little pocket agenda cover for these type of planners. It's so cute. That's kind of neat. All right, you ready? Look, everybody has waffle robes now. These are $14.98. So nice. Look at this. You getting one? That's the size. I'm gonna try it on. It's cute. These are super cute, but I need a large. 17 bucks. Only things left is mediums. Very cute. All right, $18.50. All right, y'all, we're gonna pull up to the Circle K to get us a drinky drink. We'll see if the icy wall is working. We pulled up yesterday. The icy wall was down. We'll see if it's working today. And this is a new establishment. It's only been open for a couple of months. We should have went to Buc-ee's. 30-ounce drinks, 69 cents. Oh, and it is working today. Wait, there's something down. Diamond called it. She said it's gonna be working today. All the flavors. No, he just pulled up the Pixie Man down there. So are these down?
No, they're ready to go.
Okay.
I'm just having reports from information.
Gotcha.
I just got them all free.
Gotcha. Thank you.
They're all late.
So this is my recent Amazon purchase. This towel rack holder thingamabob. I'll have it linked down below just in case you're interested, because I've told you guys many times before, I am limited on closet space. So I don't really have a dedicated linen closet. And I thought this would be a cool place to house extra towels and washcloths for guests. I thought it was cute, and it was so quick and easy to install, like literally quick. I think I put this up in like 10 minutes or less. But yeah, I think it's nice. Okay, so we're back in. I had 2 packages waiting on me. These are things that I ordered a couple of days ago. I needed new casual shoes for work. These are from Amazon. I'll have them linked down below should you like them and are interested. Now, Diamond said she already don't like the first pair. I sent her the link. These are just some loafers. Oh, they look huge. Some black loafers. Just some black loafers. But no, these aren't the ones that you said you weren't gonna like. And I sized up. Which I don't, huh?
That's why they look cute.
Yeah. I didn't realize it was gonna be this big. I'm still try it on. I probably should try it on with like a sock. Like a dress sock. Oh, goodness. Yeah, I'm glad I went on and opened these because if I don't like them, I'm taking them right on around into that UPS store. Oh, this might be all right right there. Yeah, that's all right there. Hell, that's what I needed. Woo. They're cute. They're cute with pants, jeans. They give Michael Jackson vibes. Roll up my pant a little bit. They give him Thriller. They're cute. I like these. These were like on a daily deal. But I really need to put both on. But that one was comfortable though. I'm glad I did size up. Because the foots are wide. The foots be wide. Same brand. Ordered 2 from the same seller. Yeah, these are the ones you said you weren't gonna like.
I just don't care for white.
I like the white. I thought the white sole was cute. It was an Oxford with a like a platform. It's giving. I got a short leg. It was like a specialty shoe, but I just think they're cute. With the right outfit, these would be so cute. In my opinion, that's why I got them. These are my shoes, you know. They're cute. I might rock these tomorrow. I'm gonna find me some skinnies. My brown blazer and like some type of bodysuit. That'd be cute. Let's try it on. See how it looks. We'll see. I did size up as well in these. Alright. That's a comfy fit. Does this look big on my foot? I don't know where the light went. I think they're cute.
They look cute. What you got on?
Yeah, I'm telling you, they're cute with jeans. Oxfords are very cute with jeans. The link will be in the description, as per usual. I like them. I like the real pointed toe ones too that I've seen. I'm just real scared to get the really, really pointed toe ones because my feet are so wide. They still ain't gonna stretch. My feet are wide. Stretching it out, I don't think there's enough stretch. They need to make shoes completely out of elastic for me if it's gonna be. Shit, my shoe need to be a whole rubber band. This was a nice fit. So I'm glad I did size up. And my cute little Herman the Monster shoes. They giving Herman. They're definitely giving that. But I like them. I think they're cute. Alright, so here are the Oxfords on the feet. Like I said, I really, really like them. I get it. They're not everybody's cup of tea. You don't like them, okay. That's your business. But me, I'm gonna wear them. They're giving everything they're supposed to give. I think they're so cute. With slacks and denim. yeah, links below. And like I said, I did size up, so I would go up a size, especially if you got wide feet like me. Definitely go up a size. All right, so here are the loafers. They're cute for what they are, just for work shoes. Jeans, slacks, super comfortable. I like them. They will definitely get the job done. Well, y'all, I am about to get me some rest, then get up, straighten up this apartment, get my mind and body together for work tomorrow, and yeah, find me something to watch on YouTube while I clean up. And girl, I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm about to see you next week. Maybe middle of the week, but definitely next week. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, girl. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there'll definitely be another video. Bye.